Hello, my name is Casey Matlock, and this is the introduction to welding. In this class, we are learning about shop safeties and all the different types of welding performed in the shop while cooperating with good safety practices. This class can lead to many different professional jobs throughout welding. It is even possible to be a certified welder by the time we graduate high school. This can allow students to get paid good money after they graduate. In the class, we get to learn about all safety um, procedures, and we'll eventually get to spend time in the shop learning from as other students as they work on projects. Thank you.